Have you ever heard of HeLa cells? They're a line of immortal cells that have been crucial for developing vaccines, cancer treatments, and even space travel research. They've saved countless lives and led to multiple Nobel Prizes. But do you know the story of the woman behind these incredible cells? Her name was Henrietta Lacks. Henrietta was a young African-American mother of 5 who, in 1951, was diagnosed with an aggressive form of cervical cancer at Johns Hopkins Hospital. During her treatment, a surgeon took 2 samples from her tumor without her knowledge or consent. This was unfortunately a common practice at the time, especially for patients in public wards. Doctors soon discovered something astonishing about Henrietta's cells. Unlike other human cells that would die after a few days in a lab, hers kept dividing and growing. They were essentially immortal. These cells, named HeLa after the first 2 letters of her first and last names, became a cornerstone of modern medicine. They were mass-produced and distributed to scientists all over the world. So, how does the Matilda effect come into play? The Matilda effect is when the contributions of female scientists are wrongly attributed to their male colleagues. While Henrietta wasn't a scientist, her case is a powerful, related example of a woman's contribution being erased from the narrative. For decades, the world benefited from HeLa cells, yet Henrietta Lacks and her family remained unknown and uncompensated. Scientists and corporations made fortunes while her family struggled, sometimes unable to afford the very healthcare that Henrietta's cells helped to advance. Her identity was a secret, her story untold. It wasn't until the 1970s that her name started to emerge, largely thanks to journalists and later, Rebecca Skloot's best-selling book, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. Henrietta's story is a heartbreaking reminder of historical injustices in medical research and the erasure of women's, particularly women of color's, contributions to science. Her legacy is twofold: the incredible scientific progress made possible by her cells, and the critical conversation about medical ethics, consent, and racial equity that her story has forced us to have. Today, we remember and honor Henrietta Lacks, the woman whose cells changed the world, ensuring her name is never forgotten again. Thanks for watching. If you found this story important, please like and subscribe for more hidden histories.